theme park. Are you excited? Should we go in there? Yeah. You got the bags? Put one on me. Hello, 4th floor. Wait, are we going in that way? Which way for the VR park?
Oh, it's key card.
Cashless. Danyavad. This is different. Hunter, VR treadmill.
No way.
VR treadmill.
And it's so cheap. 250 rupees.
Great. Oh, hello, how are you? Thank you. A VR menu. Where is the VR treadmill? Is it here? Upstairs?
Car system, minimum 1,000. Again, get.
Do you want to do the treadmill first?
No, I want to do this stuff first. And then we'll do the treadmill last.
So minimum how much?
1,000.
1,000 rupees. And how many games do you get for that? 8. You get 8 of these. So can we do 500 rupees each? 4 games each child?
What?
No. Can we just do the treadmill? 1 treadmill? Yeah?
Per person?
Yes, please.
190.
180.
190.
190, yeah. Can we do that please for Hunter? Is that alright? 2 of those.
Wait, we can do it at the same time.
Can we do it at the same time or separate? You don't want to do it? What about what? Skiing? Should we do the treadmill first? We'll do the treadmill first if that's okay.
Car system.
Okay, so we have to do that.
Wow.
Anyway, so we have to load it up with 1,000. So it's going to be 2,000
1,000.
for 2 children.
Comfortable.
I don't really understand, do you?
So
do we have to do...
you load up the card, then we can do it.
We'll do 1,000 then, please. Thank you. Pay cash? Cash.
So what it's saying is you buy the points and then it's just showing you how much the games are in points. Does that make sense? So you can't buy one game individually.
No, I know. That's what I'm thinking. Then you're right. Right, there we go. Right, we've got a card now with 8 credits on it.
8?
Let's go and spend it as fast as we can. Woohoo! Right, Lane Master. Our sniper.
Nah.
Has the treadmill, I think.
Wait.
Oh, this looks like loads of fun.
What's the team one?
I really want to go on this one.
Dentist chair.
Danyavad. Come right then. Thank you. Come on then, Daddy. Bring the bags upstairs. There, Hunter. I don't know. It's a team game. So there's 2 in there. So you and Pandora can do that one. No, there's two headsets in there. You got bags? Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah!
This is like a kid's dream. Ooh, what's this? A horse? Yeah. Right. Go on then. Load your card up.
So I think, do I have my shoes on?
Have your shoes on if you're doing running.
So I think it's best to chase you.
Right.
No hiding.
Get yourself in.
How?
Turn around. That way or that way? Shooting game. Pardon?
For adult.
Oh, for adults. Where's the treadmill?
I'm 13.
You're according to you, racing, bike racing,
I'm
AI
13.
sniper,
I'm 13.
but you cannot do this
Why?
because it's hard game.
Please.
It's hard.
I'm really good.
And you,
Is it?
what game is it?
It's a 18 plus game.
18 plus game. Is it too scary?
Yeah.
Sorry, Hunter.
Oh.
Do you? Do you want to do skiing?
Yeah.
Can I do this one?
Yes, darling.
Oh my gosh, that's
Pressure left and right. Do you remember? Right, keep still.
Ski extreme. No.
Off piste.
Which one? Ski adventure.
Oh, I've got a button here.
Please watch the icon to start the game.
That sounds like Squid Games.
Experience enjoy skiing. Let's learn how to operate. In your left and right feet, from the left and right directions, by your center of gravity.
Am I moving?
I'm not sure.
Let's try. Well done. Let's challenge the ice and snow world.
Are you ready? Go! Do you want to do one, Pandora?
If you press your thumb button.
Should we all have a go on that sniper one? Could be a good way of getting rid of 4 credits, isn't it? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Come on, Hunty, you can do it.
Jump,
So what I wanted to do is
Can you watch it?
Yeah.
well, I'm on it.
Ready? Don't miss this jump.
This is scary.
What's your buttons do?
Nothing yet.
Is it finished?
Stay on the middle. Just do little bits of movement.
I'm trying as hard.
Do you want to do something else while we're waiting? Which one? Alright, we'll go and get the card off the man. Hello, have you got the card, please? Thank you. Right, come on then. Oh, it's not working. Sorry, darling. Do you want to do a different one? What about the car one? It looks quite good, doesn't it? So you've got a shooting game? Yes, please. Wow, it looks like a special game. Right, remember, it's not real.
I know.
If it gets scary, don't worry. It's not real. Cool. Right, keep still.
First one is forward and this one is backward. You can go to the left. Front one is shooting button and the back one is missile. This is shooting button and this is your missile.
Remember, it's not real. Thank you. Is this what she's watching? Yeah. I can see it on the screen, Pandora. Are you in space? Yeah. No, the chap's got it. I thought he wasn't allowed to. Go on, Pandy, shoot them. Oh, it moves.
Follow the direction.
Move foot down.
Forward.
Move forward, turn. Push your foot down, Pandy.
Oh, wow.
Follow the directions.
Shoot the robots. Well done, shoot them. I think so. Look, these are the robots that she's shooting. She's fully involved. Have you got any that go upside down? Not yet. Is this your VR place? You're the boss. You're not the boss. No, that's what I asked. Oh, you have got an upside down one. That's cool. We can do that. Children do that. Downstairs. Hunter, they have an upside down one downstairs. No. Wait. We'll do upstairs first. You get 8. So we've got 6 left. He can do one while she's on it. Can't she? What about that one over there?
Why can't you go on the running one?
It's an 18. What about this one, Hunter?
What is it?
I don't know either, but try it. What is this one? Fruit Ninja?
Yeah.
Where you have to slice the fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, you'll be good at that. Fruit Ninja? Well, try it. I think so. Is it got hand tracking? Hand track it up. Watch out, everyone. Hunter's going to smash some fruit. Beat Saber.
This is Beat Saber.
We have got a Beat Saber. This is the real one.
I've not done the real one.
But it's not on I don't think it's a Meta Quest though. Really? Excuse, what headset is this? Oh, is this Indian brand?
It looks good.
Not Indian. Worldwide. Oh, so in the UK we play on a Meta Quest. We play Beat Saber at home. We have a Meta Quest.
we have it with us. But we only do the tutorial, we don't buy it.
Because we're tight. Hey, I wonder if you could buy Meta Quest games here in India using the Indian VPN to buy them cheaper. When we get back to go, we'll have to check that out. Are you ready? Are you going to slash some beats? Fair enough. Do you want to take her on to the next one? Yeah? I'm not sure. Have you got the card or is your colleague? Okay, thank you. There you go. Wow, that's a really fancy headset, Hunter. Vive.
It's blurry.
Blurry. Lift it up a bit. Is it better when you press it closer to your eyes?
No,
You're comfortable. Now you're comfortable?
it's still blurry. That's not blurry.
Please watch the icon to start the
Is that okay? Thank you. Choose your game. Wow, very loud over here. Little Missy doing skiing. So Hunter absolutely loves VR. And I heard that there was a really good VR park in Jaipur, so we couldn't really come here and not come. Are you alright? Too blurry.
Yeah, way too blurry.
Is there a way we can make it less blurry? Do a different one? Alright, thank you anyway. Hunter, do you want to do another one up here? Well, no, she's not darling.
I've done 1, he's done 2.
And you're going to do your second one. That's your second one, darling.
I don't want to do this.
We'll do a different one. It's fine. We've got loads on the card. Choose one.
Downstairs.
Go and get the card from Daddy. It was blurry. Oh my god. These bags are so heavy.
Do this escape.
I'll let your sister do that with you if you want. No? Alright then. Well, I've got to wait for Daddy because I can't leave the bag. Does this one go upside down? Yeah, Hunter, do that one. 360 VR. Yes!
Do you remember when I did this?
Yes! Can you do it super speed? Very fast. Crazy fast. Like India speed. Like tuk-tuk. Crazy. Oh, you will? Thank you. Looks good. Looks good. We're going to throw you around. Make you feel sick. You feeling nervous? Yeah, okay. Chill. Oh, you got a chin strap. I think there's a couple of different games. There's an Insta space game. But if you like it, I think there's maybe 6 or 7 other games.
If you want to stop, you can say.
You won't stop.
You must try it out.
Maybe.
I got fans going up here. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah. Although I'm just watching you because you're funnier. Don't they? Do the buttons do anything or not?
The buttons can't do anything.
Just enjoy it.
Okay.
Jinx. No, don't know what Jinx is.
Whoa, this is fun.
So it's 4:45 and we need to go to the airport. Paul, do you want the card? We need to spend these quickly. Just give me a holler if you want the card. We need to leave in 10 minutes. Hello. Do you feel sick yet?
Not really.
No. Hey, do you want to do another one? Do you want to do?
that one.
You can. Do you want to do one while Hunter's doing this?
Do you go upside down then?
Yeah.
I want to do that.
I know. Which one do you want to do while he's on that one? But which one do you want to do first? Do you want to do that one with Hunter?
What is it?
Is that at 18? What age is that one? 12. I just said, did you want the card?
I want to do this one.
Do you want to do that one while Hunter's doing that one?
I want to do the other
Listen, we've got to go in 10 minutes.
And then that one.
There's the card. She couldn't.
It wouldn't go to the right.
Fair enough. Well, at least you gave it a try. You can choose one, I think. Oh, Ocean could be good. You feel sick? Do you want to stop it?
Yeah.
Can we stop it, please?
I feel sick.
Don't be sick. Oh, wow. A game that actually made Hunter stop.
Come on.
Defeated by the game. Douche.
Go upside down. I can't help it.
I might do actually.
Let me have a go.
Do you want to go first?
No, I don't want to go on it. You
Is
go.
that an 18?
You got it.
No, that's a 12, that one.
Come on.
Shall I go on it?
Yeah.
Shall I put it on the 360 and hold it?
No, you won't see it, will you?
Why?
Oh, whatever you think. Well, we need to get a move on.
Turn it off. Put it. What's this one? That's not working either. What should we do now then?
We need to get some money back there. It's not working. It's not working. Not working. Not working. Not working. Not working.
Alright. Shooting games. Should we do the 4-person shooter up there and then it's done? No, the rest of our credit.
Bags up. Wait. What are you talking about? Come out.
Order it 5 minutes before.
Card?
Who's got the card? Honestly, we've paid 1,000 rupees, which is about £8.50.
I would pay one
even
for a game, one game.
Even if we walk out now, we're
Got
doing
left
really
after
well.
this.
So one, I think Pandy wants to go on that one though, the upside down one. So fair enough. Maybe we call it a day when she's that. Maybe order an Uber when she's on that one.
There's one else. Go away.
But maybe it says 2 minutes because that's an estimate. But then if the drivers refuse it, then that's how it adds minutes on. So it's much quicker to get in at the tuk-tuk. If you just say to the tuk-tuk, how much is to the airport?
170.
Right, we'll just
So
say.
he wanted 200, which is more. Then he wanted a tip on top.
Yes, you can.
What's in the
Where's the
tip?
card? Well, this guy's going to know where the airport is, so don't worry. Have you got the card, please? Card, please. Good job there's lots of staff on, because each ride is pretty intense. You kind of need staff to put the headset on for you and tighten it up and then put your arms and your legs and everything else in. Have you got the card? Yeah. Sorry, thank you. Is it alright to go in this one? Yes, please. Now, just to let you know, Hunter felt sick on this one and he had to get them to stop it.
Don't feel sick.
Wow.
Just keep going for it.
I don't get sick on roller.
Well, if you're not sick, then you've beat Hunter on VR.
You're too small for this, sorry.
Oh,
What?
she's too small.
You're too small.
That's it.
Nice.
Sorry, darling.
Can we get a refund? How much is left?
I don't know.
200 left. How many does it go?
Is that one game? One game.
Can I do this one?
That's broken.
Guys, this has been.
Do you want to do one upstairs, Pandora? That one's broken as well, I think.
Mummy?
Do you want to do one last one upstairs?
Mummy.
Good girl. I'm here, Hunter. Is it?
Yeah.
That's a different headset manufacturer. I think that's HP, does it say? BP. Oh, the batteries and the controller are not working. That's what they're doing, in case you're wondering. Are you inside a world? Oh, I think it's using the Steam software. Do you get it, Hunter? Is it not working? I think it might be going wrong, Hunter. I think the batteries are going in the remote. Yes, there we go. You got that one. I think this one's broken. They're just discussing how to fix it, Hunter. Left with your left hand.
Stop it. Helicopter. Stupid helicopter. Mummy?
Oh, good. Are you having another go? Oh, excellent. Get one free. Great. I think so. I think we're finished now, Pandy. You can't. I'm so sorry. She said that you were too. She said that you were too little for it.
I'm not.
I'm really sorry. I think maybe you need. It goes on height. Probably one. So Hunter's controller, left controller wasn't working. So they've let him have another go free of charge. If you've got something left on it, then have you ordered it? So
Do you want to go on that one?
It's broken, that one.
Oh, is it?
So I checked out how
Right.
I don't want one, obviously. But obviously I want one. I just wanted to see how much it was.
Yeah, if you pressed it, that's fine. Go and ask him.
We literally have to go in 2 minutes. Go and ask him then if we've got any more. Go on then.
Who's got the card?
I don't know.
Can I get a cotton candy, please? Mummy, I've been good. Please. Look, it's on camera.
I'm gonna watch it.
It's on camera. You have to
Watch
say
it. Watch it.
Close. Like you're loving it. We'll get your fingers out of your mouth, please.
I just want to eat it. Please. It's on, Mummy, you're on camera. You have to say yes.
We'll go straight into the tuk-tuk then. There you go. Say thank you. Thank you. We need to go now. We need to go to the airport now, but thank you so much for having us here. I think we might have one left on the card, but we'll just leave it with you guys. Maybe you could give it to the next person or something. So thank you very much for having us. No, thank you. Oh, you got oh, look at that. This is great. I'm like the queen.
Do you want a bit under? Okay.
Daniel, bye. It was alright, wasn't it? Don't forget we paid 1,000 rupees, which is £8.50. How many games did you get for £8.50?
A lot.
Because in England, it's £3 or £4 for one VR game.
Mummy,
isn't it?
you're eating my
So
candy.
actually, I think you've done really well to get so many. And even if we only use half of the credits because we had to get in the taxi, I think it's a good deal. Do you know what's worrying though is that all those machines that they were brand new, state-of-the-art machines, but it didn't work, and also the place is empty. So how are they making money off it? Can't they, can they? If you are in Jaipur and you have tech-loving children, and you want to give them a VR experience, or maybe you do VR back home, then give it a try. It's called the VR theme park. But be prepared that some of the machines will not work, and some of them are suitable for adults only. So
Bye, Jaipur.
Bye, see you again soon.
see you again soon.
Yeah, right.
Wink, wink.
Maybe not.
If we die, at least it's on film. He's got a knife, Paul.